you for watching. Today what we're going to do is how to install HIDs on your car. Pliers on that one. Then what we need to do, there is a bolt there and a bolt just there, so we need to start the car, move the wheel inwards to remove those two, and then do exactly the same on the other side. I don't know if you can see that, but it's there and there. Pull the sides from there. You should have little clips in here. Like that. This side should free yourself up. It's on the side. Off goes the bumper. And then we've just got the fog light connectors there. Now what you need to do is get a 8mm socket, which is that, and then all you got to do is remove 3 bolts, so this one here, this one here, and then this one down there, like so. I don't know where you can see that one. Just here, and then the headlight will pop out. Now these should pull out like so. Little fun bit just before I forgot. These pop off and just like slide on, so it's not that bad. These pull out. Then comes to disconnecting this. Flathead in there, like so, and push that red clip out, and then hopefully it should release. There we go, come in. There we go, and that is how you remove a headlight. Then all you're going to want to do is spin this, and the ball pops out just like so. Guess you just need to make little incisions into the rubber there and then pull these out. I'll show you when I've got those out. Now I've got these in. I need to push this through here. Might be a bit of a squeeze. It will go through, just a bit of patience and you'll get it in. Trust me. There we go. That one's in. That one's through. So they're all in. And they go down there like that. Lovely. So that'll sit nice and snug like that. And what you're going to want to do is get these back into there. Just get some pushing them back through, and then that should be sound. That is in. It was a bit hard to do on camera, but we're in there anyway. Right then, next we need to connect those two onto that. So first I connect that up, then that one. Now we need to see if it works. And there you go. That is how to install HIDs. All you got to do next is D bolts up, 3 bolts, that one there, that one there, that one there. Slide the bumper back on, and then do it up in reverse order, wheel arches, slide them in, pop that in, job done. Thanks for watching, I hope this helps.